What's up mga brother? Ito si Juan ng Motor1 and today nandito tayo sa Subic. For the past few hours, we have been trying out and riding yung isa sa mga bagong malulupit na bikes ngayon, which is, ang ginamit ko is the Zontes 400E. Ito yung maxi scoot feel tsaka yung datingan nito. Actually, unang dating pa lang ng motor, when I first got it, medyo imposing na kagad yung presence niya kasi nga malaki siya and yung curves niya, yung accent niya, tapos yung pagka-white niya, hindi yung parang normal na white, premium talaga yung datingan. So, I like the design, especially para sa akin na magapad. And then we rode it actually from Bulacan all the way to Subic at marami pa kami mga inikot-ikutan na mga iba-iba pang kalsada. First off, the power is comparable to those of the best maxi scoots na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Yun yung isa sa mga natuwa ko. I would say it was pleasantly unexpected na, okay power nito. Talagang it will give you the power that you are looking for para mas masatisfy ka sa ride. And then, yun nga, we have been riding the motorcycle for a few hours now and sobrang komportable ng ride. The contour of the seat, yung lumbar support niya, actually, wala naman ako angkas, pero pati yung angkasan, malapad yung upuan. So I'm pretty sure kapag ikaw ay may angkas, matutuwa ka dito. Another thing that really surprised me pleasantly is the features. Ito talaga yung sabi natin, deal breaker na to. Kumbaga, pag nakita mo to, power, comfort, tas may kita mo yung features na meron tong Zontes 400E na to, game over. Kukunin mo na talaga. Hindi ko na lang may isa-isa dito, but very high-tech. And even the interface nung buong panel natin, kala mo meron kang Jarvis ni Ironman na kinokontrol. So, overall, bang for the buck. This is one of the masasabi nating top choices that you should have if you're looking for a 400cc maxi scoot. Don't take my word for it. Gusto mong matry, gusto mong makita, bisitahin mo yung mga units natin. Unang-una mo yun makita sa Makina Moto Show this coming April. So, kita-kits tayo dyan para ma-feel mo, sakyan mo, see it firsthand kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ko. And for reservations, just visit any Bristol branch near your area. Kita-kits tayo dyan.